agriculture is the activities which is done most in India. Around 50% of the people of India practice agriculture. So we have to increase the production of agricultural crops and also develop agriculture by both scientific and technological manner. With this idea, we have come up with the model shown here. A very warm good morning to everyone. This is me Akankshit Das along with my friends Ankit Chetri and Habish Prakash Deka of class 10, and we are representing St. Francis de Sales Higher Secondary School, Narangi, Guwahati in the ATL Marathon 2020. When we conducted a ground survey on this topic, we got to know from Indian farmers that what problems they faced while cultivating in India and not in states like Punjab and Haryana, which are mostly agriculture centered. We got to know that their production rate is very low. They do not know about the exact amount of water required to irrigate their fields. They also have some issues like the crops are not very much nutritious for people. Stray animals destroy their field and also occasional fires destroy their field. To solve these problems, we have come up with this model. Now my friend Habis will be showing you the overview of the model.
So in this model we have three tanks. The first of all tank is for the water, second is for the fish, and third is the bacterial tank, and here we have the field. So the water from the ground is going to fill up this tank. Here we have the motor, and this water is going to go to the fish tank. Here the water is going to get fortified with ammonia, and the water is going to then go to the nitrifying bacteria tank. Here the water will get fortified with various nutrients, and it will be passed on to the field. Now I would like to ask Ankit to explain the working of the model.
Now we have used two Arduinos here. The first Arduino is connected with the water tank. Now the water tank contains one ultrasonic sensor which is going to check the level of water. If it is more than the adequate amount, then it will transfer the water to the fish tank. Now here we have not used any of the electric motor because it may hamper the fish. So we are using gravity to transfer the water from the fish tank to the bacterial tank. Now from the bacterial tank we have the motor which will be passing on the water through the help of the servo motor and spreading it on the soil. Now we have a soil moisture sensor because if we let the water go, then it will waste some water. So to encounter that, we have the soil moisture sensor which will be sensing the amount of water in the soil. Now if we dip it in water, then it is going to stop the servo motor from functioning because now it is irrigated. So now see, you can see that it is not moisturized, so it will continue spinning. Now we have some extra features such as this PRI sensor which will detect motion like that, and we have one more sensor which is the fire alarm here, which is the smoke sensor. Now it will connect with another buzzer which will be ringing and telling the farmer that there is a fire in the field. Now to notice all this, we have a LCD screen which will be displaying the soil moisture and the gas level.
With this, we have made a solution for the farmers so that they also get higher production rate by practicing both organic farming and pisciculture, and also to solve their problems. We would like to thank the organization for giving us a chance to make this model and to show our creativity. With this, we would like to conclude. Thank you.